The world is your home, Lord, our heart is your home. A heart full of love, Lord, my heart is your home. We are the children, children of Sai. 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 Satya, Dharma, Shanti, Prema, Ahimsa. Love all, serve all is your call. Love if you can, hurt no one in despair. For you are the Father and we are the children, children of Sai. 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 Kali Yuga Deva Avatara. You have come to guide us all. Sachidananda Avatara. Guide us all, lead us all. Guide us all, lead us all. We are the children, children of Sai. We are the children, children of Sai. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara. We love you, Father, show us the way. Sachidananda Avatara. We love you, Mother, show us the way. We love you, Mother, show us the way. Deva Avatara, Sachidananda Avatara. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara, Sachidananda Avatara. We are the children, children of Sai. We are the children, children of Sai. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara, Sachidananda Avatara. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara, Sachidananda Avatara. Children of Sai. Sachidananda Avatara. We are the children, children of Sai. We are the children, children of Sai.
गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामवित्रयवतु गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम्।
ॐ नमो भगवते रुद्राय। ॐ नमस्ते रुद्रमण्यव उतोत इषवे नमः। नमस्ते अस्तु धन्वने बाहुभ्यामुदते नमः। यात इषुः शिवतमा शिवं बभूवते धनुः। शिवा शरव्या यातवतया नो रुद्रमृडया। याते रुद्रशिवा तनूरघोरा पापकाशिनी। तयानस्तनुवाशन्तमया गिरिशन्ताभिचाकशीः यामिषुं गिरिशन्तहस्ते बिभर्ष्यस्तवे शिवाङ्गिरित्रतां कुरु माहि गुंसेः पुरुषं जगत् शिवेन वचसा त्वा गिरिशाच्छावदामसे यथा नः सर्वमिज्जगदयक्ष्मगुं सुमना असत् अध्यवोचदधिवक्ता प्रथमो दैव्योऽभिषक् अहेगश्च सर्वाञ्जम्भयन् सर्वाश्च यातु धान्यः असौ यस्ताम्रो अरुण उत बभ्रुः सुमङ्गलः ये चेमागुं रुद्रा अभितो दिक्षुश्रिता सहस्रशो वैशागुं हेडयेमहे असव्यो वसर्पति नीलग्रीवो विलोहितः उतैनं गोपा अदृशन्नदृशन्नुदहार्यः उतैनं विश्वा भूतानि सदृष्टो मृडयातिनः नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मीढुषे अथो ये अस्य सत्त्वानो हन्तेभ्यो करन्नमः प्रमुञ्च धन्वनस्त्वमुभयोरात्नियोर्जाम् याश्च ते हस्त इषवः पराता भगवो वप अवतत्यधनुस्त्वगुं सहस्राक्षशते शुधे निशीर्य शल्याणां मुखा शिवो नः सुमना भव विज्यं धनुः कपर्दिनो विशल्यो बाणवागुम् उत अनेशन्नस्येषव आभुरस्य निषङ्गतिः याते हेतुर्मीढुष्टमहस्ते बभूव ते धनुः तयास्मान् विश्वतस्त्वमयक्ष्मया परिभुजा नमस्ते अस्त्वायुधाय नातताय धृष्णवे उभाभ्यामुत ते नमो बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने परिते धन्वनो हेतिरस्मान् वृणत्तु विश्वतः अथो य इषुधिस्तवारे अस्मन्निधेहितम् नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः नमो हिरण्यबाहवे सेनान्ये दिशाञ्च पतये नमो नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यः पशूनां पतये नमो नमः सस्पिञ्जराय त्विषीमते पथीनां पतये नमो नमो बभ्रुषाय व्याधिनेन्नानां पतये नमो नमो हरिकेशायोपवीतिने पुष्टानां पतये नमो नमो भवस्य हेत्यै जगतां पतये नमो नमो रुद्राय तताविने क्षेत्राणां पतये नमो नमः सूताय हन्त्याय वनानां पतये नमो नमो रोहिताय स्थपतये वृक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो मन्त्रिणे वाणिजाय कक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो भुवन्तये वारिवस्कृताय औषधीनां पतये नमो नम उच्चैर्घोषाय क्रन्दयते पत्रीणां पतये नमो नमः कृत्स्नवेताय धावते सत्त्वनां पतये नमः नमः सहमानाय निव्याधिन आव्याधिनीनां पतये नमो नमः ककुभाय निषङ्गिणे स्तेनानां पतये नमो नमो निषङ्गिण इषुधिमते तस्कराणां पतये नमो नमो वञ्चते परिवञ्चते स्तायूनां पतये नमो नमो निचेरवे परिचरायारण्यानां पतये नमो नमः श्रुकाविभ्यो जिघागुंसद्भ्यो मुष्णतां पतये नमो नमोऽसिमद्भ्यो नक्तं चरद्भ्यः प्रकृन्तानां पतये नमो नम उष्णीषिणे गिरिचराय कुलुञ्चानां पतये नमो नम इषुमद्भ्यो धन्वाविभ्यश्च वो नमो नम आतन्वानेभ्यः प्रतिदधानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नम आयच्छद्भ्यो विसृजद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमोऽस्यद्भ्यो विद्यद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नम आसीनेभ्यः शयानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः स्वपद्भ्यो जाग्रद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तिष्ठद्भ्यो धावद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सभाभ्यः सभापतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो अश्वेभ्योऽश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः नम आव्याधिनीभ्यो विविध्यन्तेभ्यश्च वो नमो नम उगणाभ्यस्त्रिगुंहतेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गृत्सेभ्यो गृत्सपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो व्रातेभ्यो व्रातपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गणेभ्यो गणपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो विरूपेभ्यो विश्वरूपेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो महद्भ्यः क्षुल्लकेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रथिभ्यो रथेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रथेभ्यो रथपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सेनाभ्यः सेनानिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः क्षत्रुभ्यः सङ्ग्रहेतृभ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तक्षद्भ्यो रथकारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः कुलालेभ्यः कर्मारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः पुञ्जिष्टेभ्यो निषादेभ्यश्च वो नमो नम इषुकृद्भ्यो धन्वकृद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमो मृगयुभ्यश्वनिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः श्वभ्यश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः नमो भवाय च रुद्राय च नमः शर्वाय च पशुपतये च नमो नीलग्रीवाय च शितिकण्ठाय च नमः कपर्दिने च व्युप्तकेशाय च नमः सहस्राक्षाय च शतधन्वने च नमो गिरिशाय च शिपिविष्टाय च नमो मेढुष्टमाय चेषुमते च नमो ह्रस्वाय च वामनाय च नमो बृहते च वर्षीयसे च नमो वृद्धाय च संवृध्वने च नमो अग्र्याय च प्रथमाय च नमः आशवे चाजिराय च नमः शीघ्र्याय च शेभ्याय च नमः ऊर्म्याय चावस्वन्याय च नमः स्रोतस्याय च द्वीप्याय च नमो ज्येष्ठाय च कनिष्ठाय च नमः पूर्वजाय चापरजाय च नमो मध्यमाय चापगल्भाय च नमो जघन्याय च बुद्ध्याय च नमः सोऽभ्याय च प्रतिसर्याय च नमो याम्याय च क्षेम्याय च नमः उर्वर्याय च खल्याय च नमः श्लोक्याय चावसान्याय च नमो वन्याय च कक्ष्याय च नमः श्रवाय च प्रतिश्रवाय च नमः आशुषेणाय चाशुरथाय च नमः शूराय चावबिन्दते च नमो वर्मिणे च वरूथिने च नमो बिल्मिने च कवचिने च नमः श्रुताय च श्रुतसेनाय च नमो दुन्दुभ्याय च हनन्याय च नमो धृष्णवे च प्रमृषाय च नमो दूताय च प्रहिताय च नमो निषङ्गिणे चेषुधिमते च नमस्तीक्ष्णेशवे चायुधिने च नमः स्वायुधाय च सुधन्वने च नमः श्रुत्याय च पथ्याय च नमः काट्याय च नीप्याय च नमः सोद्याय च सरस्याय च नमो नाद्याय च वैशन्ताय च नमः कूप्याय च वट्याय च नमो वर्ष्याय च वर्ष्याय च नमो मेघ्याय च विद्युत्याय च नमः ईध्र्याय च तप्याय च नमो वात्याय च रेश्म्याय च नमो वास्तव्याय च वास्तुपाय च ॐ हर 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 ॐ नमः सोमाय च रुद्राय च नमस्ताम्राय च रुणाय च नमः शङ्गाय च पशुपतये च नम उग्राय च भीमाय च नमो अग्रे वधाय च दूरे वधाय च नमो हन्त्रे च हनीयसे च नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यो नमस्ताराय नमः शम्भवे च मयो भवे च नमः शङ्कराय च मयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवतराय च नमस्तीर्थ्याय च कूल्याय च नमः पार्याय च वार्याय च नमः प्रतरणाय चोत्तरणाय च नमः आतार्याय च लाद्याय च नमः शष्प्याय च फेन्याय च नमः सिकत्याय च प्रवाह्याय च नम इरण्याय च प्रपथ्याय च नमः किगुंशिलाय च क्षयणाय च नमः कपर्दिने च पुलस्तये च नमो गोष्ठ्याय च गृह्याय च नमस्तल्प्याय च गेह्याय च नमः काट्याय च गह्वरेष्ठाय च नमो हृदयाय च निवेश्प्याय च नमः पागुंसव्याय च रजस्याय च नमः शुष्क्याय च हरित्याय च नमो लोप्याय चोलप्याय च नमः ऊर्व्याय च सूर्म्याय च नमः पर्ण्याय च पर्णशद्याय च नमोपगुरमाणाय च भिघ्नते च नमः आखिदते च प्रखिदते च नमो वः किरिकेभ्यो देवानागुं हृदयेभ्यो नमो विक्षीणकेभ्यो नमो विचिन्वत्केभ्यो नम आनिर्हतेभ्यो नम आमीवत्केभ्यः द्रापे अन्धसस्पते दरिद्रन्नीललोहिता येषां पुरुषाणामेषां पशूनां माभेर्मा रोमो येषां किञ्चनाममत् या ते रुद्रशिवा तनो शिवा विश्वाह भेषजी शिवा रुद्रस्य भेषजी तया नो मृडजीवसे इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने क्षयद्वेराय प्रभरामहे मतिम् यथा नः शमसद्विपदे चतुष्पदे विश्वं पुष्टं ग्रामे अस्मिन्ननातुरम् मृडानो रुद्रो तनो मयस्कृधि क्षयद्वेराय नमसा विधेमते यच्छञ्च योश्च मनुरायजे पिता तदश्याम तव रुद्रः प्रणीतो मानो महान्तमुतमानो अर्भकं मान उक्षन्तमुतमान उक्षितम् मानो वधेः पितरं मोत मातरं प्रियामानस्तनुवो रुद्ररीरिषः मानस्तोकेतनये मान आयुषि मानो गोषु मानो अश्वेषु रीरिषः वीरान्मानो रुद्रभामितो वधेर्हविष्मन्तो नमसा विधेमते आरात्ते गोघ्न उत पूरुषघ्ने क्षयद्वीराय सुम्नमस्मे ते अस्तु रक्षा च नो अधि च देव ब्रूह्यधा च न शर्म यच्छद्विबर्हाः तुहि श्रुतं गर्तसदंयुवानं मृगन्न भीममुपहक्तृमुग्रम् मृडाचरित्रे रुद्रस्तवानो अन्यन्ते अस्मन्निवपन्तु सेनाः परिणो रुद्रस्य हेतर्वृणत्तु परित्वेषस्य दुर्मतिरघायोः अवस्थिरा मघवद्भ्यस्तनुष्वमेढ्वस्तोकायतनयाय मृडया मेढुष्टमशिवतमशिवो नः सुमना भवा परमे वृक्ष आयुधन् निधाय कृत्तिं वसान आचर पिनाकं बिभ्रदागहि विकिरितविलोहित नमस्ते अस्तु भगवः यास्ते सहस्रगुं हेतयोऽन्यमस्मन्निवपन्तु ताः सहस्राणि सहस्रधा बाहुवोस्तव हेतयः तासामीशानो भगवः पराचीनामुखाकृधे सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्याम् तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसे अस्मिन्महत्यर्णवेऽन्तरिक्षे भवा अधि नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा शर्वा अधः क्षमाचराः नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा दिवगुं रुद्रा उपश्रिताः ये वृक्षेषु सस्पिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः ये भूतानामधिपतयो विशिखासः कपर्दिनः ये अन्येषु विविध्यन्ति पात्रेषु पिबतो जनान् ये पथां पथि रक्षय ऐलभृदायव्युधः ये तीर्थानि प्रचरन्ति श्रुकावन्तो निषङ्गिणः य एतावन्तश्च भूयागुंसश्च दिशो रुद्रावितस्थिरे तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसे नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्यां येऽन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं वातो वर्षमिषभस्तेभ्यो दश प्राचीर्दश दक्षिणादश प्रतीचीर्दशोदीचीर्दशोर्ध्वास्तेभ्यो नमस्ते नो मृडयन्तु तेयं द्विष्मो यश्च नो द्वेष्टितं वोजम्भे दधामि त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् यो रुद्रो अग्नौ यो अप्सु य ओषधीषु यो रुद्रो विश्वा भुवना विवेश तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु ये ते सहस्रमयुतं पाशा मृत्योमर्त्याय हन्तवे तान् यज्ञस्य मायया सर्वानवयजामहे मृत्यवे स्वाहा मृत्यवे स्वाहा प्राणानां ग्रन्थिरसि रुद्रो मा विशान्तकः तेनान्येनाप्यायस्व नमो रुद्राय विष्णवे मृत्युर्मे पाहि तमुष्टुहि यस्विषुः सुधन्वायो विश्वस्य क्षयति भेषजस्य यक्ष्वा महेशो मनसाय रुद्रं नमोभिर्देवमसुरन्दुवस्य अयं मे हस्तो भगवानयं मे भगवत्तरः अयं मे विश्वभेषजो यगुं शिवाभिमर्शनः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
शञ्च मे मयश्च मे प्रियञ्च मेऽनुकामश्च मे कामश्च मे सौमनसश्च मे भद्रं च मे श्रेयश्च मे वस्यश्च मे यशश्च मे भगश्च मे द्रविणं च मे यन्ता च मे धर्ता च मे क्षेमश्च मे धृतिश्च मे विश्वं च मे महश्च मे संविच्च मे ज्ञात्रं च मे सोश्च मे प्रसोश्च मे सीरं च मे लयश्च मरुतं च मे मृतं च मे यक्ष्मं च मे नामयच्च मे जीवातुश्च मे दीर्घायुत्वं च मे न मित्रं च मे भयं च मे सुगं च मे शयनं च मे सुषा च मे सुदिनं च मे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महीमहीषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
पार्वती तनया विघ्न विनाशक
पार्वती तनया विघ्न विनाशक
पार्वती तनया विघ्न विनाशक
पार्वती तनया विघ्न विनाशक
मंगलदायक देवा
मंगलदायक देवा
मंगलदायक देवा
मंगलदायक देवा
जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश
जय गणेश
अलख निरञ्जन मूषिकवाहन पाशाङ्कुशधर शम्भो नन्दन पाशाङ्कुशधर शम्भो नन्दन मङ्गलदायक देवा जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश
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 पार्वती तनया विघ्न विनाशक
पार्वती तनया विघ्न विनाशक
मंगलदायक देवा
मंगलदायक देवा
जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश
जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश
सिन्दूरवदना प्रथम वन्दना
सिन्दूरवदना प्रथम वन्दना
अलख निरञ्जन मूषिकवाहन
अलख निरञ्जन मूषिकवाहन
पाशाङ्कुशधर शम्भो नन्दन मङ्गलदायक देवा जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश
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 पार्वती तनया विघ्न विनाशक
Never gonna stop loving you as I am. Never gonna stop loving you. Never gonna stop missing you as I. Never gonna stop missing you. तेरे बिना कहीं चैन नहीं, तेरे बिना कुछ भी भाता नहीं, तेरे बिना कहीं चैन नहीं, तेरे बिना कुछ भी भाता नहीं। मुझे शांति दे ओ मेरे साईं माँ, बेचैनिया एक पल जाता नहीं। मुझे शांति दे ओ मेरे साईं माँ, बेचैनिया एक पल जाता नहीं। तेरे बिना कहीं चैन नहीं, तेरे बिना कुछ भी भाता नहीं। Never gonna stop loving you as I am. Never gonna stop loving you. Never gonna stop missing you as I. Never gonna stop missing you. Never gonna missing you. माँ भी तू ही मेरे पिता, तू ही तू, दूजा कोई नहीं। हो जब कभी परेशानी कोई, तू जो है कोई भी डर नहीं। बाबा मेरे तुम ही हो आसरा, तुम सा कहीं कभी होगा नहीं। मुझे शांति दे ओ मेरे साईं माँ, बेचैनिया एक पल जाता नहीं। तेरे बिना कहीं चैन नहीं, तेरे बिना कुछ भी भाता नहीं। मुझे शांति दे ओ मेरे साईं माँ, बेचैनिया एक पल जाता नहीं। तेरे बिना कहीं चैन नहीं, तेरे बिना कुछ भी भाता नहीं। Never gonna stop loving you, aside. Never gonna stop loving you. Never gonna stop missing you, aside. Never gonna stop missing you. Never gonna stop loving you, aside. Never gonna stop loving you. Never gonna stop missing you, aside. Never gonna stop missing you. Never gonna stop loving you, aside. Never gonna stop loving you. Never gonna stop loving you. Never gonna stop loving you.
परतेपुरी में जन्म लिया जो साईं बाबा नाम है।
परतेपुरी में जन्म लिया जो साईं बाबा नाम है।
परतेपुरी में जन्म लिया जो साईं बाबा नाम है।
परतेपुरी में जन्म लिया जो साईं बाबा नाम है।
मयूर मुकुटधर मुरली मनोहर साईं श्यामा 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 नाम है।
हे शिव शंकर उमा महेश्वर साईं शंभो नाम है।
हे शिव शंकर उमा महेश्वर साईं शंभो नाम है।
हे शिव शंकर उमा महेश्वर साईं शंभो नाम है।
हे शिव शंकर उमा महेश्वर साईं शंभो नाम है।
हे परमेश्वर पतिपुरीश्वर साईं मेरा प्राण 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 है।
परतेपुरी में जन्म लिया जो साईं बाबा नाम है।
परतेपुरी में जन्म लिया जो साईं बाबा नाम है।
मयूर मुकुटधर मुरली मनोहर साईं श्यामा नाम है।
मयूर मुकुटधर मुरली मनोहर साईं श्यामा नाम है।
हे शिव शंकर उमा महेश्वर साईं शंभो नाम है।
हे शिव शंकर उमा महेश्वर साईं शंभो नाम है।
साईं शंभो नाम है।
साईं शंभो नाम है।
साईं बाबा नाम है।
साईं बाबा नाम है।
हे शिव शंकर उमा महेश्वर साईं शंभो नाम है।
हे शिव शंकर उमा महेश्वर साईं शंभो नाम है।
हे परमेश्वर पतिपुरीश्वर साईं मेरा प्राण है।
हे परमेश्वर
परमेश्वर पतिपुरीश्वर साई मेरा प्राण है, हे परमेश्वर पतिपुरीश्वर साई मेरा प्राण है। पतिपुरी में जन्म लिया जो साई बाबा नाम है।
शंभु कुमारा हरो हरा, शंभु कुमारा हरो हरा, शंभु कुमारा हरो हरा, शंभु कुमारा हरो हरा, शिव शंकरी बाला 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 हरो हरा, उमा सुता षण्मुखा गुहा, उमा सुता षण्मुखा गुहा, उमा सुता षण्मुखा गुहा, उमा सुता षण्मुखा गुहा, शिव शरवण भव हरो हरा, 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 पळनि गिरीशा हरो हरा, पळनि गिरीशा हरो हरा, कोटपति पुरीशा हरो हरा, कोटपति पुरीशा हरो हरा, पळनि गिरीशा हरो हरा, पळनि गिरीशा हरो हरा, कोटपति पुरीशा हरो हरा, कोटपति पुरीशा हरो हरा, हर 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 शिव 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 शिव, 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 शिव शरवण भव हरो हरा, 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 शंभु कुमारा हरो हरा, शंभु कुमारा हरो हरा, शिव शंकरी बाला हरो हरा, शिव शंकरी बाला हरो हरा, उमा सुता षण्मुखा गुहा, उमा सुता षण्मुखा गुहा, शिव शरवण भव हरो हरा, शिव शरवण भव हरो हरा, पळनि गिरीशा हरो हरा, पळनि गिरीशा हरो हरा, कोटपति पुरीशा हरो हरा, कोटपति पुरीशा हरो हरा, हर 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 शिव 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 शिव, हर 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 शिव 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 शिव, शिव शरवण भव हरो हरा, 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 शंभु कुमारा हरो हरा, शिव शंकरी बाला हरो हरा।
वैजयन्तीधर वनमाला धर, वैजयन्तीधर वनमाला धर, वैजयन्तीधर वनमाला धर, वैजयन्तीधर वनमाला धर, शंख चक्रधर पीतांबर धर, शंख चक्रधर पीतांबर धर,
शंख चक्रधर पीतांबरधर
शंख चक्रधर पीतांबरधर
वैजयंतीधर वनमालाधर
वैजयंतीधर वनमालाधर
श्रीकर पुरंदर गिरिधर नागर
श्रीकर पुरंदर गिरिधर नागर
श्रीकर पुरंदर गिरिधर नागर
श्रीकर पुरंदर गिरिधर नागर
मुरलीधर घनश्याम मनोहर
मुरलीधर घनश्याम मनोहर
मुरलीधर घनश्याम मनोहर
मुरलीधर घनश्याम मनोहर
वैजयंतीधर वनमालाधर
वैजयंतीधर वनमालाधर
शंख चक्रधर पीतांबरधर
शंख चक्रधर पीतांबरधर
वैजयंतीधर वनमालाधर
वैजयंतीधर वनमालाधर
श्रीकर पुरंदर गिरिधर नागर
श्रीकर पुरंदर गिरिधर नागर
मुरलीधर घनश्याम मनोहर
मुरलीधर घनश्याम मनोहर
मुरलीधर घनश्याम मनोहर
मुरलीधर घनश्याम मनोहर वैजयंतीधर वनमालाधर
भज रंगा हरे विठ्ठला
रंगा हरे विठ्ठला
भज रंगा हरे विठ्ठला
रंगा हरे विठ्ठला
पांडुरंगा हरे विठ्ठला
रंगा हरे विठ्ठला
पांडुरंगा हरे विठ्ठला
रंगा हरे विठ्ठला
साई रंगा हरे पांडुरंगा हरे
रंगा हरे पांडुरंगा हरे
साई रंगा हरे पांडुरंगा हरे
रंगा हरे पांडुरंगा हरे
भज रखुमाई रंग विठ्ठला
रखुमाई रंग विठ्ठला
भज रखुमाई रंग विठ्ठला
रखुमाई रंग विठ्ठला
पांडुरंगा हरे विठ्ठला
पांडुरंगा हरे विठ्ठला
पांडुरंगा हरे विठ्ठला
पांडुरंगा हरे विठ्ठला
भज रंगा हरे विठ्ठला
रंगा हरे विठ्ठला
पांडुरंगा हरे विठ्ठला
पांडुरंगा हरे विठ्ठला
साई रंगा हरे पांडुरंगा हरे
रंगा हरे पांडुरंगा हरे
भज रखुमाई रंग विठ्ठला
रखुमाई रंग विठ्ठला
पांडुरंगा हरे विठ्ठला
पांडुरंगा हरे विठ्ठला
पांडुरंगा हरे विठ्ठला
पांडुरंगा हरे रे विठ्ठला.
धिम धिम धिमी धिमी नटन शिवा. ओम धिम धिम धिमी धिमी नटन शिवा. तांडव केळि विलास शिवा. तांडव केळि विलास शिवा. ओम धिम धिम धिमी धिमी नटन शिवा. लीला मानुष वेश शिवा. लीला मानुष वेश शिवा. लिंगोद्भव कर साई शिवा. आत्मलिंगोद्भव कर साई शिवा. साई शिवा हर बाल शिवा. साई शिवा हर बाल शिवा. धिम धिम धिमी धिमी नटन शिवा. तांडव केळि विलास शिवा. ओम धिम धिम धिमी धिमी नटन शिवा. लीला मानुष वेश शिवा. लिंगोद्भव कर साई शिवा. साई शिवा हर बाल शिवा. साई शिवा हर बाल शिवा. ओम धिम धिम धिमी धिमी नटन शिवा.
अल्लाह अकबर अल्लाह अकबर अल्लाह अकबर. 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 यीशु पिता प्रभु अल्लाह अकबर. शिरडी साई परती साई तुम हो. यीशु पिता प्रभु अल्लाह अकबर. शिरडी साई परती साई तुम हो. यीशु पिता प्रभु अल्लाह अकबर. शिरडी साई परती साई तुम हो. यीशु पिता प्रभु अल्लाह अकबर. शिरडी साई परती साई तुम हो. गुरु नानक भी तुम हो. नानक जी तुम हो. गुरु नानक भी तुम हो. नानक जी तुम हो. सौराष्ट्र दीनबन्धु विठ्ठला जय करुणा सिन्धु विठ्ठला जय दीनबन्धु विठ्ठला जय करुणा सिन्धु विठ्ठला जय विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला 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 जय पंढरीनाथा विठ्ठला जय पांडुरंगा विठ्ठला जय परतिपुरीशा विठ्ठला जय प्रशांति निलया विठ्ठला जय विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला 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 जय दीनबन्धु विठ्ठला जय करुणा सिन्धु विठ्ठला जय विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला 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 जय पंढरीनाथा विठ्ठला जय पांडुरंगा विठ्ठला जय परतिपुरीशा विठ्ठला जय प्रशांति निलया विठ्ठला जय विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला 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 जय दीनबन्धु विठ्ठला जय करुणा सिन्धु विठ्ठला जय
हे शिवशंकर नमामि शंकर शिवशंकर शंभो
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 हे गिरिजापति भवानी शंकर
हे गिरिजापति भवानी शंकर
हे गिरिजापति भवानी शंकर
हे गिरिजापति भवानी शंकर
भवानी शंकर
भवानी शंकर
हर भवानी शंकर
भवानी शंकर
शिव शंकर शंभो
शिवशंकर शंभो
शिव शंकर शंभो
शिवशंकर शंभो
शिव शंकर शंभो
शिवशंकर शंभो
हे शिव शंकर नमामि शंकर शिव शंकर शंभो
हे शिवशंकर नमामि
उमापति भवानी शंकर शिव शंकर शंभो शिव शंकर शंभो शिव शंकर शंभो
श्रीनारायण तु पुरुषोत्तम गुरु तो सिद्धबोध तो कंठ विनायक सविता पावक तु सविता पावक तु ब्रह्मवंद तु योग शक्ति तु यशोदा प्रभु तो रुद्र विष्णु तो राम कृष्ण तो रहे बटाओ तो रहे बटाओ तो वासुदेव ईश्वर बधु चिदानंद हरि दो आत्मलिंग शिव दो आत्मलिंग शिव दो
असतो मा सत्यमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया
Om Shri Sai Ram. In order to remember Bhagavan's teachings continuously and to become worthy instruments of our Divine Master, every member has to engage in sadhana, a spiritual discipline which has to be merged with his or her day-to-day life, and every member is encouraged to make his or her family as a unit for such sadhana. Thus, with the view to qualify to become a true member of the organization, the following guidelines are to be followed. Number 1, daily meditation and prayer. Number 2, group devotional singing or prayer with family members once a week. Number 3, participation in Sai spiritual education by children of the family. Number 4, participation in community service work and other programs of the organization. Number 5, regular attendance at the center's devotional meetings. Number 6, regular study of Sri Satya Sai Baba literature. Number 7, the use of soft, loving speech with everyone. Number 8, not speaking ill of others, especially in their absence. And number 9, Narayana Seva. Practice placing a ceiling on desires. Consciously and continuously strive to eliminate the tendency to waste time, money, food, and energy, and utilize the savings for service to mankind. Jai Sai Ram.
My humble pranams at the lotus feet of Swami and a loving Sai Ram to all our brothers, sisters, respected elders, and children tuned in tonight. We pray that with Swami's grace, you and your families are healthy, happy, and peaceful.
Swami says, the seer should not attach oneself to the seen. That is the way to get free. The contact of senses with objects arouse desire and attachment. This leads to effort and either elation or despair. Then there is fear of loss or grief at failure, and the train of reactions lengthens. With many doors and windows kept open to all the winds that blow, how can the flame of the lamp within survive? That lamp is the mind, which must burn steadily, unaffected by the dual demands of the world outside. Complete surrender to the Lord is one way of closing the windows and doors, for then, in that stance of Sharanagati, complete surrender to God, you are bereft of ego, and so you are not buffeted by joy or grief. Complete surrender makes you draw upon the grace of the Lord for meeting all the crises in your career, and so it renders you heroic, more stalwart, and better prepared for the battle. Divine Discourse, January 13th, 1965.
The announcements for this week are as follows. Gayatri Mantra chanting. We humbly ask all devotees to continue chanting the Gayatri Mantra 3 times a day, and if possible, let us all chant together at 7 p.m. 108 times. Chanting the Gayatri Mantra is one of the most potent forms of seva we can do, as it is selfless and will go to wherever it is needed, unbeknown to us.
Atirudra Mahayagnyam 2025. With Bhagavan's divine blessings and as part of the centenary celebrations of Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba, there will be a Sri Satya Sai Satamanam Vishwashanti Lok Kalyana Atirudra Mahayagnyam performed at the Sai Kulwant Hall in Prashanti Nilayam from the 14th to the 25th of February 2025. All devotees from around the world are welcome to the Yajnam. The Yajnam will be telecast live worldwide for everyone to follow and participate in the proceedings.
Prayers for healing. A WhatsApp group has been created to allow devotees to pray for those in need of healing or upliftment. If you have a family member, friend, or know of any person who needs prayer, please contact any of the National Devotional Coordinators to post the request on this group. Wheelchair Reuse Program. The National Go Green team would like to thank all devotees that have supported the Wheelchair Reuse Program. With Swami's grace, we now have loaned out 64 wheelchairs at no cost to needy recipients. Devotees are encouraged to continue to support this program by donating their second-hand or new wheelchairs to be loaned out, thereby spreading Swami's divine love to those in need. Please do contact your regional Go Green champion for further details. Online Vedam Chanting. Vedam Chanting is held at 5 a.m. and 6:30 p.m. every day. A link has been sent out with the national communications. Please do take advantage of this amazing opportunity to learn and recite these sacred texts. National Educare Conference. In celebration of the 100th birthday of Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba, the Sri Satya Sai Global Council of South Africa warmly invites you to a transformative 2-day National Educare Conference themed The Inward Journey. The conference will occur on the 22nd and 23rd of February 2025 and will be hosted in KwaZulu-Natal. Balvika's Teacher Training Course 2025. The Sri Satya Sai Institute of Educare in South Africa is thrilled to announce the Level 1 Sai Spiritual Education and Balvika's Teacher Training Course for 2025. This 8-month online course is designed to inspire and empower aspiring and trained gurus, as well as parents passionate about holistic education. Dive into Sri Satya Sai Baba's teachings and learn to nurture young minds with transformational techniques. Please
register via the link shared with the online announcements. National Online Study Circle. The devotional wing of the Sri Sathya Sai Global Council of South Africa will be hosting a virtual study circle entitled The Inward Journey and Mahashivaratri, which forms part of the national study circles for this year in commemoration of the centenary birthday celebrations of our beloved Bhagavan Baba. Please do tune in next week Sunday, the 16th of February from 5:30 to 6:30 in the evening. Swami has said that He is above us, below us, around us, within us. He and we are one and the same. We know this. Our life mission is to believe and to realize this. But how do we start? The first step is simply believing that He is with us in every moment of our day and accompanying us in every action. In this evening's video, Dr. Shrikant Sola, an alumnus of the Sri Sathya Sai Institute of Higher Medical Sciences, shows us how we can connect to Swami's omnipresence by just sitting quietly. We pray that you have a blessed and peaceful week ahead. Jai Sai Ram.
Sai Ram, everyone. Loving Sai Rams to everyone. In today's session, we're going to talk about how you can sit quietly with Swami. Yeah? We're going to how you can be with Swami and just sit next to him. Would you like to learn how to do this? Yeah? Yes or no? Yes. Yes? Okay, good. That's what we'll do. We're going to break it up into 3 parts. So I had the lovely opportunity on several occasions of just sitting quietly next to Bhagavan when he was in his physical form. This was around 2008, 2009, a little bit in 2010 also. On one occasion, I remember, Shivani had written some notes. Swami would ask us to do some homework, and then he would ask us to come back in 2 weeks and then show us the homework and then discuss. That was very common in those days. And so this particular time, I had the notebook that Shivani would keep all of our notes and discussions with Swami, and I had it with me. Swami called me, and he took the notebook from me, and I just sat quietly in front of him for some time while he read whatever Shivani had written. It was quite a long time. It seems like when you're with Bhagavan, it seems like eternity. And it was just so lovely. In those 4 or 5 minutes, and sometimes it was long as 40 minutes that I would sit before Bhagavan on different occasions, I learned more than I have in the previous 35 plus years of doing sadhana. Just those few minutes of sitting quietly with Swami. And that's what I'd like to share with you today. Is that okay? Yeah? Okay. So part 1 goes like this. All of you, you are the self. You are the Atman. You are the Parabrahman. You are God. And the whole creation is just a dream. It's just something that you have created. The good and the bad, the grief, the sadness, the happiness, the joys, the challenges, the frustrations, the successes are all just a dream. As long as you're dreaming the dream, you play the dream, right? You play to win, right? Just like you play a sports game to win. But you have to remember that it's just a dream, but you need to first remember that you are the self. Remember that you are the self. Now, in this, then, once you just, even if you just intellectually know, okay, Swami says, I am God, I am God, I am God. I am not different from God, right? That's what he tells us to repeat. I am the infinite supreme. I'm Satchit Ananda. I am the Parabrahman. This is the prayer that Swami suggests that we recite every day. Even if you know just that much, that's good enough to do this exercise, to sit quietly with God. Why? Because your very nature then is silence. Silence is not something you guys have to attain, okay? Many people think, oh, I have to meditate. I have to silence my mind, right? I have to be quiet, as if it's something that you have to do because you're so used to doing all the time. The thing is that this silence is your very nature. It's what you are. You can't change it. You can't achieve it. You can't try to be it. because you are already silence. Does that make sense? Okay? That's all. And so the first part of the exercise is really simple. It's just remembering, I am silence. That's all. There's not much else to it, okay? So let's try that out. So just close your eyes. If you want, you can take a couple of deep cleansing breaths. There's really nothing to it. It's very simple. Just relax a bit. Yeah? And then just think, or just give yourself not even a thought, just the intention, the sankalpa, the will, I am silence. And see what happens. For a second, maybe a moment for some of you, you could have that silence. Is that it? You can come back now. Yeah? Could you have that, just that little bit? Yeah? Just a little bit is enough, no? But once you get it, you're like, yeah? That's all. See, you're not trying to be something you're not trying to do anything. You're not trying to achieve anything. You are already silence. You have always been silence. You cannot be anything but silence. Your very consciousness, the awareness of what you are, is absolute silence. Thought is an illusion. Yeah? Thought is an illusion. Okay, let's do it again. Okay? Just give yourself the intention, the intent, I am silence. That's all. And come back. Okay? So what happened then? Could you feel yourself expand? Yes. Yeah? You sort of lost awareness of, maybe you had awareness of your body, but it just went something beyond that you're not really able to explain. It just sort of went out somewhere. Okay? All right. Now, guess who is in and around that silence? It is Swami. Okay? And so how do you sit with the Lord? How do you have that personal, you're just being with him, just like I was sitting quietly with him, not saying anything, not asking anything, just sitting and just being with him. Okay? So what you're going to do, you're going to give that intention. The first part is to give the intent, the sankalpa, the will, as we call it, that will that I am silent. Then the second part, you're going to give the intent, God is here. Okay? In whatever way, whatever word for God you want to use, Swami, Jesus, Christ, Allah, whatever, it doesn't matter. God is here. That's all. Okay? That's step 2. That's it. Nothing else. Number 1, have the will, the intent, or the sankalpa, I am silence. Once you feel that silence, just make a slightest, not even a thought, just a little push in your mind. God is here. That's all. And once you have that, then just be aware of his presence. That's all. And then just sit quietly with him. That's it. Okay? All right, let's do that now. So 2 steps. Let's begin. Take a breath. Quieten yourself. Let go of any stress or tension and go ahead and set the will. I am silence. And then after a few moments, God is here. Okay, come back. Got it? How many people could feel Swami or God with them? Okay? All right, good. Now, see, the thing is, God is always here. Just like you are always silent, you are always silence, God is always with you. It can't be anything else. He's always, whether you're aware of it or not. And so now we're going to do it. Instead of having to set the thought, God is here, you're just going to create the awareness that God is here. Okay? You're just going to be aware that God is here. It's like there's an air conditioning running in the room, but we're not aware that the air conditioning is on. But if we shift our awareness, then we hear the AC blowing, right? So in the same way, you're just going to set the intention, I am silence. Not silent, I am silence itself, okay? Then, once you feel that coming in, it's like having a good cup of tea, you know? That when you drink that, you feel like that. You go into that silence. And then just shift your awareness that God is here. Yeah? Make sense? Okay. Any questions on this so far? Any doubts on this? Okay, good. Okay, let's go ahead and do this then. Just take a breath or two to settle yourself down. Set the intent, I am silence. And then once you're silent, just shift your awareness that God is here. Okay, come back. Got it? Yeah? It's simple. Some of you are trying to make it too hard by overly complicating it. Some of you are having resistance that no, Dr. Sola can do it, but how can I do it? But that's just false ego. Tell yourself, I am silence. Tell yourself, God is here. And you will have that experience. Now, the lovely thing about this simple technique of sitting quietly with God is that you can do this anywhere. I do it when I'm brushing my teeth, when I'm riding in the car. Yesterday I was on the metro. I just did it when I was in the metro. I had a great time. Just me and Swami sitting happily on the metro train. You can do this wherever you go, and just sit quietly with the Lord as long as you want, and your life will be transformed because you will always be in the presence of God. So practice this every day as often as you can. I would say about 10 times a day. Yeah, 10 times a day. Do this simple practice of sitting quietly with God. Just for a few moments, you don't have to do it for hours and hours, but just do it for a few moments.
जय जगदीश हरि स्वामी सत्य साई हरि भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त
सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।
परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थमिष्टार्थं मोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिं हृदयाश्रयामि परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थमिष्टार्थं मोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिं हृदयाश्रयामि परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थमिष्टार्थं मोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिं हृदयाश्रयामि। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्।